Hello everyone. I hope you all well. So in my previous video, you all show me so much support. Thank you guys for that. Keep activate on comment if you have any problems on this video. I've solved all of your problems. I'm trying harder to get you the results. Okay. So on this video, we'll see how to install Android apps or Android gaming on Mac, how to play Android games on Mac. Okay. Uh, on this video, we see that how to install Grand Theft Auto 4, 5, even other PC games in Mac in the base variant of M1. Okay. So we will see right now that how to install Android games, Android apps in Mac. Okay. So first, go ahead to Bluestacks. To inform you all, Bluestacks have officially launched their Bluestacks Air that is natively working for Mac 1, M1 or Apple Silicons, you can say. So first, download Bluestacks. I've already downloaded that, so I'm not downloading it right now. Okay. So after downloading, you have to install that like that. I've installed already my applications. Where is BlueStacks? Here it is. So this is BlueStacks, and I will told you a better game for BlueStacks on Mac. So there's lots of games, but you can try definitely this one, and you have to understand some of the settings that are based for BlueStacks here. After using several days, I've listed these settings. Okay, so first it will show you the BlueStacks code. Skip that using this button. Okay, so just is, let me clear that. After installing successfully, you have to launch on this user face. Then you just have to play CarxStreet, that is most graphics demanding game, graphics demanding racing game right now. Okay, at the trailer you have already watched that, I guess. The clip from CarxStreet, I've recorded that just to show you guys that this is most demanding game right now in Android platforms. So this is always looking like good. So at first we have to set up something like from here you have to select this high 4 ports memory. Don't use custom memory, so I have already used many of them this, but just enhanced 4 GB is more than enough. Okay, and may you have default selected balance, but changes it to high performance. You can on display the FPS during gameplay if you want. Okay, so after that, for your native Mac, use 19820 by 1080p. This is recommended resolution. Okay, so pixel density, use 320 dpi, no other custom dpis, then the game might have crash. Okay, use this as dark theme. I always choose dark over light. And graphics renderer, use OpenGL 3 ES 3.1 and above, or if this uses some bugs, so use OpenGL ES 3.0, but I'm using this latest software. Preferences, English, advanced. Don't use all of this, it can harmful for your privacy. Okay, about section, check for updates. You can check you're on the latest function. So I'm in latest. So first of all, you have just to set up your Play Store account. So I've already logged in on my account. Okay, you have to also log in your Play Store account. If you don't have, create one. All you have to do this as after install set up all of the accounts and details in your and in your device, this tablet I mean. So after that, go ahead to Play Stores, and here you can play any of the games you like. Most of them officially support it. Okay, don't play BGMI, Call of Duty, or some action games like Free Fire. This may have caused you ban the game account. So it is much safer if you play some car games or heavy graphics demanding games, as you can play these well as uh, Genshin Impact. You can play this if you want to. Genshin Impact is available for that. Okay, so I'm a car guy, so I will prefer over the base graphics demanding game. So this is CarxStreet. All you have to just, after the recommended settings, you have to just install it. After installing, you can play. Okay. It comes full screen that there is microphone and everything. You also need the key mapping. Okay. So it's it's available. You have to just make a key mapping. So this is all of my key mapping. Note that this is my key mapping. You can use this also. I will try to send you the key mapping. Possible. Yes, it's possible. I'm gonna I will key mapping. So on here you have to also make some settings. So this is all of my settings. Note that just use these settings. Okay. After that, controls. Use these buttons. In graphics, this can be hard for you. You can use this if you want. What you can use this. After that, you can play a game. Setting. So that happens.